Alright beauties, first off I primed with my Glamlite Icing Eye Base in Buttercream. I am going to be diving into the Dirty Martini palette. I love the freaking packaging, and I already know and love Glamlite's formula. This, of course, is a green-based palette. Greens, golds, pop of blue, pop of brown, I love it. Oh, code GLAM15, make sure you use that. I am going to dive in and do a look. I am switching things up because I'm not feeling the best, and because my house was loud. Real shit happens around here. So I hope that you guys like the way that I did this video. I only do one eye. I will show you up close and personal how the finished eye looks. This is not a first impression for me, obviously. I already know and love Glamlite's formula. This is more just me showcasing the palette and showing you how beautiful it is. I hope that you love it. I hope that you enjoy it. Be your own best beautiful.